How to clear all the websites you have visited on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show how to clear your website history on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find browser. And here you have browsing data, which is clear your device cookies and cache from websites you have visited while using the Facebook mobile browser. You can click on your browser and data and click on clear, and this is it. You have cleared now your browsing data. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.